Now, if you have your question written as a fraction divided by a fraction, so for example, if I have a rational expression like this, oops, and then I have that divided by another rational expression like 3 minus m over m plus 2. I'm really just going to treat this as a fraction divided by a fraction, which is the same thing as the whole first fraction, and then we're going to, instead of dividing by the fraction, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the other one, which is m plus 2 over 3 minus m. And then it really just becomes a multiplication problem. So what we're going to do is factor it, of course. So we have a difference of squares, m plus 3 and m minus 3. On the bottom, we have a trinomial that we can factor. Let's see, we have to multiply to be 6 and add to be 5. So that's going to be an m plus 3 and an m plus 2. And then over here, there's really nothing we can do. They're already factored. So the m plus 2 I'm going to leave alone. However, 3 minus m you don't see as another factor. However, I could factor out a negative 1, and that becomes negative 1 times m minus 3. That would be the same thing as 3 minus m. And I want to do that so that because it does help me to simplify the fraction overall. Since it's all multiplication and it's all factored, I can divide. M plus 3 divided by m plus 3 would be 1. And m plus 2 over m plus 2 is also 1. And oh my goodness, m minus 3 over m minus 3 is also 1. So in the end, I have 1 over negative 1, which is just negative 1. Cool.